touching. So she definitely wouldn't like you.
Hi, puppy.
Look, walk away.
How are you? Look at you. You're so happy.
Yes.
You're so happy.
She's always happy, except when she's hungry. That's about it. I know.
Aww.
Have either of you learned anything from your pups growing up?
Yep. Gotta be patient with these guys.
Did you? What about you? Be patient. What else?
And make sure they have enough love.
Yes. And they love you.
Yep. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? I forgot. What's this guy's name?
Oh, this is Piper. I'm sorry.
Hi, Piper. My cousins have a dog named Piper.
It's a good name. Great name.
Yeah, ain't that right?
Can't imagine her named anything different. We struggled on what we would call her for a while, but Piper's is perfect for her.
Yeah. Ain't that right, Piper?
And your name?
I'm Katie.
Katie. Have we met Katie? You look familiar. I work here at the college.
I think so.
Psychology and I work in counseling services.
Oh. Yeah, I think we did meet before. I'm not sure if I remember though.
Either way, it's nice to meet you again if we hadn't met before or for the first time.
Yeah. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Yeah, who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. You're a good girl.
I'll tell her how pretty she is, how much I love her, and she gets all goofy. She's like, she'll lift her paw and be like, stop it.
Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. You're so cute.
Have you written what animals have taught you on our board?
Not yet. I'll do that in a little bit.
All righty.
Good girl.